Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up gesture navigation on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4. So first of all, we will need to get this application Xiaomi earbuds and connect to our earbuds. Right now when we open this application we'll find gestures, so open it, and as you can see right here we can find double tap, triple tap, and then also press and hold gesture. So right now we can adjust it for the left and the right. Here we can select between play, pause, previous song or the next song. It will look the same for the right one. When you go for the triple, you can also set the previous song and the next song, but there is also additional option to volume up or volume down. And it will work the same for the right and the left. When you select the press and the hold, you can adjust the ambient sound, so we can go to the noise cancellation, transparency. You can also select to turn off the ambient sound, but also we can switch and for example turn on your voice assistant. And it will also work the same for the right press and then hold gesture. So that's how we can do this. That's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.